All right, so Nathan says, keep all your fucking screws for all your projects. Keep them in a drawer. I like this drawer because I can dig in here. I literally needed a screw for this fucking SSD, this solid state drive here, this Samsung I'm putting in my desktop. I need a little screw to fucking attach this to the edge of the wall in there. I went digging, and right off the bat, I just found another one that probably worked. Yeah. So yeah, look, 2 seconds, I found some screws I need based on old junk from God knows where. I don't know where I got these fucking screws, but I just found 2 with these in here. So yeah, tip of the day, Nathan says, fucking save all your screws, motherfucker. You'd be 100%. It's a fucking wise thing to do. Save all your fucking screws. That's the tip. See ya.
No limits, no script. Just sit around and watch me build some shit. Nathan!